Is there anything else, Spirit, in regards to connecting to nature? Let me write something down. I'm going to write this down. This message, some of you all could be aware of, but once again, my mission is to wake up the sleeping giant within the masses of people within the community. Those that aren't aware, those that may ignore it, and no, I'm not here to force anything on anybody, but I am here to that's funny. Pride. I'm not here to force anybody to do anything. But I am planting the seed so that you can say, well, no, I didn't hear that at all. I didn't get that information. I am once again, you know how they say, because I mentioned this before, that's why I said once again, but you know how they say you can't lead a horse, you can lead a horse to water, but you can't make them drink it. I'm just simply the water. I'm just simply the water. Most High God is leading you by literally putting me in front of you, putting a message in front of you, and whether or not you sit and listen to it, take the advice, or even press the play button, by click it to even listen to it, whatever, that's all on you. But I am simply the water. I am simply the water. These two oracle decks I was drawn to, the past life deck and my own deck, I was really heavily drawn to. Now I'm just honestly trying to filter through. I have my tree angel oracle deck right here. Is there anything else, Most High God, you need the collective to be aware of in regards to connecting to, physically connecting to nature? Physically, and once again, I mean actual physically. Get our hands in it, get our feet in it, get our hands on it, get our feet on it. I make products, but Spirit is even saying it's deeper than a product, but products will work. Products will work. Ingesting it, drinking the teas and things like that, that's a good thing. That is a good thing, but there is something heavy about getting your hands onto nature. I don't want to block my blessing, because hey, tap into Royal Earth, because it's powerful. Tap into Royal Earth. It's powerful. Literally.
If you are guided, head on over to my Shopify account, lovenaturally.myshopify.com, and you can check out my products, Royal Earth Oil and Royal Earth Protection. These products are infused with very protective, very grounding, very loving, nurturing energies of the magnolia, walnut, sycamore, pine, and oak.
Block my blessing, at all. Held. Sureness of the soil, unseen help, support, community. Sacred masculine, honor, protection, support. Held. I'm telling you, Spirit want us to get our hands onto to nature. I'm hearing reunion. Once again, remember, it's a forgotten resource now. Nature is a forgotten resource now. So reunion, meaning to go back to reconnect yourself to nature. Reconnect yourself to nature. Soul recognition, collaboration, partnership. Reconnect yourself. Open them hands up to the sun. Open them hands up to the sun. Open them. Plant yourself here. I'm so silly. Codes of the seas. There are some codes. We are nature. Yeah. Yeah. Codes of the seas. The blueprint is within you. Take the next step. Get infused with nature. Get infused with nature so that you can be encoded, so that you can get these codes. We are nature. We are nature. Becoming grounded, embodiment, living in connection. Plant yourself here. Get planted into nature. Get planted into nature. It's just different, various roots, all the roots. Get rooted into nature, integration, embodiment, grounded action. Anything else? Yeah. It says whispers of Mother Earth. Although, once again, I always have to say this when I see Mother Earth, I am a believer that it's Daughter Earth. I'm a new believer that it's Daughter Earth. It's not Mother Earth. Um, the mother is the universe. The father is the sky. The mother is the universe. Um, the sun, if I'm not mistaken, the sun is like the air, the winds. If I'm not mistaken. And then the daughter is the earth. We have rapture. This has nothing to do with being in fear of the rapture. The rapture is going to happen in a way that is not how the Bible or Christianity made us fear it to happen. The rapture has a lot to do with information being restored, truth being restored, justice being restored. The original balance is being restored. The rapture has a lot to do with restoration. Um, I'm gonna pick out one tree angel oracle. I'm almost done. Okay. Nausea. Okay, so what I'm getting from this, it says Spruce's gift is to help us extend our personal boundaries and access the higher realms. This is a spruce tree now, spruce 21. This is a doorway into the universal harmonic, the Tao, which confers great integrity and power. Be worthy of it. The spruce shrinks its alpine areas where ski pistes have been established and become a shadow of its former self, a slave to the monoculture. This is where we experience exactly the same kind of isolation and loneliness that the imprisoned spirit of the spruce lives with day in and day out. Humans sell heaven's blessings, and their rewards is confinement, debility, pessimism, and darkness. So the words that stick out to me is confinement and isolation. Meaning you're indoors, you're tucked away, you're stored away. After all this time, we're entering into spring. So after all this time, some of us have been, just inside, not connecting to nature as much. Some of you all, don't bring nature into your homes. So during the winter time, you don't have any connection to nature whatsoever. And so this is the time to, kind of connect, get out of like this uh um energy of being, recluse, and maybe, exercising, you know your connection when it comes to nature, when it comes to, the actual living nature outdoors. Hmm. It says spruce trees meditate between the worlds. They are not particularly concerned with issues important to humans down here. So we can soon feel lonely and abandoned in a spruce forest. Remember, I showed y'all the orphan, alone, lonely, and abandoned, forgotten, abandoned in a spruce forest, in which case the only thing to do is to spread our wings and transcend our limitations. Transcend our limitations. I'm gonna leave this here just because I gotta get food and everything for my kids going.